Hi everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. In this video, I will explain you about the Bluetooth problem in your device Poco M4 Pro and M4 Pro 5G. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move towards the video. If you are having any issue regarding the Bluetooth in your device Poco M4 Pro or M4 Pro 5G, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Bluetooth problem in your device. Let's watch the video.